All right, hello everybody. Here is our final example with wheel and axle lab. So we are given that the handle is 5.25 inches from the center of axis. Okay, so that is talking about here to wherever the handle is. Understand that that is actually going to be a radius, not a diameter. So we need to be careful with that because the other one has diameter on it. All right. So when we do this, we need to be a little careful when we do our calculation to make sure we turn either our radius into a diameter or our diameter into a radius to do our calculation. All right, so let's move along with the first question. Calculate the ideal mechanical advantage. So IMA is dE over dr. When it comes to wheel and axle, the D's are going to be diameters. So we have diameter of our effort, which is going to be what we're putting on the handle there on the end, and that is going to be 5.25 inches from the as a radius, but we need to make that 10.5 because it's the diameter. All right. Now, underneath that is going to be our dr, which is going to be the 0.75. All right, so again, I had to multiply this 5.25 times 2 to get a diameter so that they're both diameters here. And so I have 10.5 divided by 0.75, which gets me an answer of 14 for my IMA. All right, now, talks about efficiency. Considering the efficiency of the system, what is the AMA? Well, efficiency is going to be AMA divided by IMA. So if we do our algebra, multiply both sides by the IMA, we have that AMA is going to be equal to the IMA times the efficiency. All right, so our IMA we just said was 14, and our efficiency was 37% or 0.37. Which gives us a force, or I'm sorry, an AMA of 5.18. Okay? All right, finally, it asks about the resistance force. So what's the actual resistance force? How much force is actually needed to turn that knob there if you had to turn it at that point on the axle? All right, so we are going to do our AMA equation. Oops, that should be an AMA. AMA is going to be equal to FR over FE. All right, the resistance force is what we're looking for. So we're going to multiply both sides by the effort force. All right, yoink, yoink cancels out. So we have the resistance force will be equal to the effort force times the AMA. Our effort force was, let's see up here, effort force was 2.25 pounds. 2.25. Our AMA is 5.18. So our resistance force will be 11.66 pounds. Okay, thanks so much for watching.